Hello friends, in this video I will show how to change Grammarly to Canadian English. So simple and basic way guys, just you have to click on this G icon. So firstly download and install this extension, Grammarly extension in your Chrome browser and click on this G icon and here you will see the option iWriting. So click on this drop down and select your desired language like American, British, Australian, or Canadian. So select your required language and after that click anywhere and again click here. So you will see your selected language here. So thanks for watching guys. Share, like and subscribe this channel.